Are you ready to capture your best memories in a flash? Today, we're diving into the brand new Fujifilm Instax Mini 99, a camera that brings retro charm and modern technology together in the perfect package. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or someone who just loves creating instant keepsakes, the Instax Mini 99 is the perfect companion. So stick around as we unbox, explore its exciting features, and take it out for a spin. Let's kick things off with the unboxing. The Instax Mini 99 comes in this stylish packaging, and as we crack it open, you'll find the camera itself, along with a wrist strap, user manual, and a set of colorful film packs to get you started right away. Look at this. The design of the Mini 99 is a beautiful blend of the vintage Instax aesthetic with a modern twist. It's compact, lightweight, and super easy to carry around. Plus, it comes in a range of fun, vibrant colors that match any style. Now, let's get into what makes the Instax Mini 99 stand out. First up, we have the built-in selfie mirror. No more guessing whether you're in the frame or not when taking those selfies. You can see exactly what's going to be captured. And check this out, the camera even has a dual shutter button, so no matter how you're holding it, snapping that perfect shot is easy. Whether you're taking group selfies or candid moments, the Mini 99 is all about convenience. And of course, it uses the iconic Instax Mini film that we all know and love. One of the best parts, you get a tangible photo in just seconds, ready to share, display, or pop into your scrapbook. Now, don't let its simple design fool you. The Fujifilm Instax Mini 99 comes packed with some creative features that let you take your photography to the next level. There's a high-key mode that brightens up your photos, perfect for capturing vibrant colors in any light condition. Plus, the macro mode lets you get those incredible close-up shots, whether it's nature, small objects, or even food photography. These extra features mean you can really express your creativity with each shot, whether it's a portrait, a landscape, or something a little more artistic. One of the things I love most about the Mini 99 is how portable it is. It's lightweight, fits easily into a small bag or even a large pocket, and makes spontaneous photo sessions so much fun. This is what it's all about, capturing those little moments that would otherwise be forgotten. Whether it's hanging out with friends, exploring new places, or just enjoying a quiet afternoon, the Mini 99 lets you create memories on the go. And let's not forget about the fun extras. Fujifilm has a whole range of film packs that can add a touch of personality to your photos, whether you're into bold colors, fun patterns, or classic monochrome. These little details make the experience of using the Instax Mini 99 even more special. So, whether you're capturing big life events, small everyday moments, or simply experimenting with creative photography, the Fujifilm Instax Mini 99 gives you the tools to do it all. It's easy to use, packed with features, and best of all, it gives you a printed memory in your hands instantly. No filters, no waiting, just pure, authentic moments. If you're looking for a fun and creative way to capture your memories, the Fujifilm Instax Mini 99 is definitely worth checking out. With its stylish design, advanced features, and endless creative possibilities, this camera is perfect for anyone looking to add a little joy to their photography experience. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews, tips, and unboxings. Until next time, keep snapping those memories, one instant at a time.